In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix missing save game files in TheForest. This bug relates if you play with two devices or GeForce Now. If you played with GeForce Now and didn't sync, then please open GeForce Now. Click on the left sidebar, go to Settings, and click Syncing next to your Steam account. This will take a moment. And it's done and synced. Go to AppData and LocalLow where your saved games files are located. Go to the parent directory LocalLow and rename SKS to something else like SKS_. Start the game TheForest. As you can see, I have no saved game files. Now, start a new game. Now, exit the game. Now, you should be able to see your saved game files under Single Player and Continue. Thanks for watching.